So this is a deck of playing cards, probably everybody knows. Today I'm going to demonstrate a technique called estimation in gambling. So I'll pick two random cards. I picked two black cards, 6 and 9. So I'll place them back into the deck in a random position. So these are around at 13th and 26th position. So if you know the exact estimation, you can bring these cards in a snap. I did that. What's up everyone, this is Manish here. I'm not a magician, but I will teach you a technique by which you can create magic in your photos. Today I will teach you how to convert your regular bokeh images to custom shaped bokeh images. Bokeh is simply background blur. For creating this type of effect, all you need is Diwali lights or Christmas lights, a DSLR, a wide aperture lens, black chart paper to make custom shaped filters, some tape, marker, cutter and a pair of scissors. And of course lens hood of the lens you are using to mark the outline. Without wasting much time, let's start. First of all, take the lens hood of the lens to be used and mark the internal circumference. I will mark 4 extra arms to hold the filter. These can be of any shape, does not matter. Bend these arms 90 degrees. This will help to seat the filter directly in the hood like this. So I will mark some shape and cut that shape out. So this is my heart shape and I'll mark a star shape as well. You can experiment with the shape whatever you like. If you do not have a lens hood, we can make one with a black piece of chart paper. Just wrap the chart paper around the lens like this, tape it, place the custom made filter over your custom made lens hood and tape all together. Filter is ready. It is bit weird but it will do the job. You can remove it and you can place it. When the filter is ready, just place it nicely in the hood and you are done. You can experiment with your craft skills and bring out best of your lights. This is my very simple setup. My camera is on tripod and my main subject GoPro Hero 7 Black is on black glass sheet, and behind that I have lit Christmas lights, or you can say Diwali lights, and yes, I have placed one video light to illuminate my main subject because we are going to take the exposure of these lights. And to illuminate my main subject, we need some external source. You can use a video light, or if you have some torch, that will work absolutely fine, no worries. I will be shooting with 50mm and our photos should look like this. I hope you like this video, and if you have learned something, give a thumbs up. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I'll definitely answer them. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done yet, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.